Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering off the Snoo and unplugging it, safety first. Once done, remove the mattress and fitted sheet so you can access the mesh freely. You'll work on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Next, locate the 4 corner fasteners and 2 screws along the back rail. Know that these secure both mesh and frame. Make sure to keep screws in a small container. You'll need them during reassembly. Move deliberately and keep hands steady to prevent bending the frame. You now unclip each corner fastener, lifting the mesh edges outward to loosen tension. This prevents tearing. Then remove the 2 screws on the back rail while you support the frame so it doesn't pivot or drop. Once freed, slide the mesh up and off the top rail slowly. Note which side faces inward because orientation matters for reinstallation. As you work, inspect the elastic and seams for wear so you can decide whether replacement is needed before putting everything back together. You finish by inspecting the frame for bends and cleaning the mesh per the care label. Replace any worn parts before reassembly. Then reattach the mesh in reverse order. Slide the top rail first, secure back rail screws and clip corners. Tighten screws snug but do not over-tighten to avoid stripping threads. If the mesh resists seating, check for hidden clips or misaligned rails and realign gently. If problems persist, stop and contact support so you don't.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.